Officially, Lamborghini does not manufacture motorhome models. Consequently, the Lamborghini Motorhome 2026 does not have a standard external design. We may, however, make wild guesses about what a Lamborghini-inspired motorhomes outside would look like, emphasizing aggressive style, dramatic aerodynamics, and the use of high-tech materials. Adopting the broad, powerful body and low roofline that characterize Lamborghini supercars. Using design features seen on Lamborghini cars like the Huracan and Aventador, as well as its futuristic ideas, such as dramatic angles, sharp lines, and creases. Though their aerodynamic role on a larger and heavier vehicle, such a motorhome, will differ from that of a supercar. Components like a huge rear wing, aggressive diffuser, low front splitter, and canards may be installed. It is more for striking aesthetics. Using the standard Lamborghini LED headlamp and taillight design, perhaps with a modern, eye-catching Y or hexagonal form. These upward opening doors, which are a Lamborghini trademark, may be installed on the motorhome's main doors or even its side doors, creating a striking effect as you arrive and depart. Although they may be used to breathe the interior of a motorhome or just as decorative components, the large, aggressive air intakes on the front, sides, and back of the body mirror the engine cooling architecture of supercars. For a sleek appearance and possible weight savings, body panels will probably be made of carbon fiber or other lightweight composite materials, though the scale of this on a big RV may be limited. The automobile will seem sportier and more expensive with large, finely crafted wheels and low-profile tires. Possibly with special matte or metallic finishes, Lamborghini's signature color schemes include Verde Mantis, green, Arancio Borealis, orange, or Giallo Inti, yellow. As a powerful brand indicator, the Lamborghini emblem will be positioned thoughtfully on the motorhome sides, back, and front. The exhaust system will probably have an aggressive quad-tip or hexagonal shape if the RV is powered by an internal combustion engine, which is improbable if it's only a design inspiration. These components may be swapped out for other future design aspects, though, if this is a hypothetical EV. The center console, the dashboard if there is a steering wheel area, and maybe even the seat stitching or ambient lighting patterns will all have Lamborghini's recognizable Y design components. High-end materials with striking contrast stitching will be employed, including Alcantara, premium leather, and carbon fiber in large quantities. Details made of titanium or anodized aluminum are probably also included. With its advanced digital indicators and user-friendly controls, the interior design of the RV will probably offer the feeling of an immersive cockpit. Sporty-looking chairs that offer optimal support, like race seats, while maintaining comfort over extended trips. With racing seat belts, perhaps. High-resolution touchscreen with a futuristic interface that shows the navigation system, motorhome function controls, and car information if there is a steering area. The Lamborghini interface design is likely to serve as the inspiration for the visual display. LED lighting system that can be customized with different colors and patterns to create a dramatic mood and accentuate interior design lines. High-end audio systems from well-known manufacturers that are adjusted especially for the RV cabin's acoustics. A minimalist bathroom and kitchen with a design touch will be created using opulent and lightweight composite materials in a very contemporary manner. The integration of appliances will be smooth. In order to optimize space, mattresses will probably be made to be buried or transformed into lounge spaces, given the emphasis on performance and design, even in RV form. Cabinets and drawers with concealed storage will be made to blend in perfectly with the interior decor. They may have touch or electronic opening systems.